So if you don't know what a shear bolt is, this is it right here. And what it does, it's the coupling between your gearbox and your drive shaft. And it serves two purposes. One, the coupling, but it's also the weak link. So that if you hit something, you don't tear up the gearbox or the tractor, you break this bolt. And I think they put too soft of a bolt in it because I just got in heavy grass and it broke. But it's broke and we got to get it out. Fortunately, a lot of times when they break, they kind of mess up the end. You know, it'll leave a little spot on the end where it makes it kind of hard to get out. But that's it. You can see it's a clean break, and we just got to get the other half of it out. Let's see if we can get this in here. Get it out. Unfortunately, the blades are wanting to turn the shaft on this thing. Probably should have gotten some vice grips. It's coming out. Punch, pry bar, pliers, and we have got it out. And I'm going to have to look through my stash and see if I've got one. Now, we will have to line this back up, the shaft, and get the other, there's a piece of the bolt still in there, I see it. So we're lining it back up. So it's lined up. We're going to use the bolt itself. Try to grab that out. And there's the other part of it. So I need to go find a bolt, and that they had in here, it is not marked, so it's probably a grade 3. I'm going to throw a grade 5 in it. On our other tractor, we run a grade 8, and the reason we do that is it actually has a slip clutch, and the way the slip clutch works, you've got a clutch disc in between here, and if you hit something, the clutch slips instead of, you know, the shear bolt breaking. So you can run at that point, it's not really a shear bolt, it's just a coupling bolt, and you can run a stronger bolt in it because your clutch is doing the slipping. So let me see what I've got, and we will replace it. All right, so I found a grade 5 bolt that I had here. It's right here. I think it's gonna be long enough. We're going to run that through. It's going to be just barely long enough. We're not going to run that washer on it. And we're going to have to get, I don't have a lock nut, and they just had a regular nut on it, but I'm surprised it didn't come off. But we are going to tighten that down and just double nut it. This is a really good wrench. It's going to be kind of short for double nutting, but I think it'll work. Get like 3 threads on that other nut, but I've got somebody running to get more shear bolts and some nuts, so that should do till then, and we'll take this off and put a lock nut on it. But pretty simple process if you break one to replace it. It's not bad at all. So that is it. It is replaced. We are ready to mow again.